Assalamu alaikum guys. So I've done this recording today as a resource for you so that you know hopefully how to recite the surah and what I'm after as well. Because I keep on talking about mads, ghunnas, qalqalas, and I think that at least this way you can go back to this over and over again. It'll be useful to get feedback from you guys as well. I'd be really appreciative if you give me some feedback if you thought that this was useful, because if you think something like this is useful, then I might even create more videos for even the smaller surahs, like Nas, Falaq, Ikhlas, for you to be able to practice over as well. If you think it's useful, then let me know. If you don't, then obviously I'll just keep this as is for our lessons. So we start off. It's not written, but أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Just bear in mind there's two has there, they're very strong, okay? Yasin. So this is a 6 vowel count med. So you've got to make it long, like the way I did it. Wal. So anything that's grey, remember, is silent. وَالْقُرْآنِ الْحَكِيمِ. Remember what I said about these alifs. You don't say them if you're joining it from a word. If you're joining a word before it, you never ever say that. Okay, it becomes invisible. So nil hakim. Innaka. This is your ghunna. Innaka laminal mursalin. على get the عين up. على صراط. These are 3 strong letters, so it needs to be heard like that. صراط مستقيم. Again, غنة again. Remember, غنة is from the nose, okay? تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. So just be careful of that عين, but I mean, other than that, I think even the ha, just watch out for that as well. غنة لتنذر قوما. That joins in, but it's also غنة. قوما ما. So you do mad, 4 or 5 vowel counts. أنذر غنة. مad again. وهم فهم غافلون. لقد قلقلة. See the light blue? That's the قلقلة. Silent. لقد حق الح. Get the ha in. حق القول على مد أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. I'm not going to keep on highlighting what mads are and whatever else, but I just want to do it for the first few verses, so I'll just carry on as normal now. إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين. Now, just as a reminder, the pink or reddish color is the mad. That's the long sound. It's 4 or 5 vowel counts most of the time. Sometimes it can be 6. The green is the ghunna, 2 vowel counts from the nose. The greys miss out the letter, don't, or the vowel, don't say it. The light blue is your qalqala, your echoey sound. Your dark blues are your strong sounding letters, and you'll see some oranges. You don't need to worry about them too much, but those are your, they're also mads, which means to make long, but you've got a choice to do it as 2, 4, or 6 vowel counts. And hopefully that was useful. Again, any questions, do ask. But yeah.